Hi guys, today I'm going to be showing you how to build a Lego washing machine. Here are the pieces you will need. You will need 2 of these 1x1 pieces with the stud in the middle, 2 of these grill pieces, any color, a 2x4 piece, a red and blue, the red and blue pieces, 1x1s, 1 of these 2x2 pieces, a 1x2 piece, 2 of these pieces that can go like this, they can bend like these, I need 2 of those, a window piece like this, 2 of these little studs, and a 2x4 smooth tile. Okay, so I'm going to show you how to build it. First, you take your 1x1 pieces, then take your window piece, put it on studs like this, and then take your 1x2 piece, stick it on here, then, actually no, take this off. Actually, yeah, put that back on. Then take your 2x2 piece, set it on here. Actually, no. Take your 2x2 piece off again. Take the 2x2 piece, put it in the back here. Then take your 2x4 piece, put it on here like this. And then take your bendy pieces, put them on like this. Make sure they're bended at the same length. Then take your 2 grill pieces, put them in the middle so they can stick. Then take your 2x4 piece, stick it right here like this. Then take your 1x1 pieces, put the cold on here, and then put the hot on here. Then lastly, take your studs and then put them on here like that. Here is your Lego washing machine. Bye guys, I will see you the next time I make a video. And this is Travis618 signing out.